Liya finds the real reason we get hiccups.
Heck, what was that?
Liya is deep in thought, trying to figure out why she hiccuped. Dr. Nova enters the lab with a friendly smile. An animation shows the lungs and diaphragm in a fun, colourful way. We see a molecule-style animation illustrating a diaphragm spasm. Air moves to the vocal cords in a cartoon biology diagram. Kids are seen laughing and eating fast, drinking soda in a quick montage. Liya smiles as she now understands the reason behind hiccups. Robot Bite projects a cool diagram hologram.
Have you ever had hiccups?